Hi, Zach Pater here, River Valley Marine in Red Wing, Minnesota. What a cool little boat to take you through today. This here's an 06 Glastron 185. Good looking boat. Take a look at that nice big Bimini top. Work your way around the outside. You're going to see that beautiful maroon deck shear. Along with the hull shear, some simple graphics going down the back. You will notice this is a VEC technology hull, so it's a it's the virtual engineered composite hull. Very nice setup. Look at the size of the swim platform on the back. It's very nice. Nice grab handles. Got a little flip down ladder there. And from there, let's take a jump inside the boat. Work our way onto the other side of the boat. We're going to start right here. Look at the size of this bow section. Nice contoured seatings, nice wraparound combings, storage under all the seats, stainless steel cup holders and stainless steel grab rails. Really kind of make this a very nice fulfilled bow section in this 185. Work our way into the cockpit and you're going to see a nice open seating arrangement here. You got the sport style with the full back bench seat, big bucket seats with the flip up bolster, tilt wheel, and very nice snap-in flooring. Work your way over to the port side. You're going to see the same style big bucket seat with the flip up bolster, and again some little neat things like the wraparound combings, the stainless steel grab rails. Do a good job getting those cup holders tucked out of the way and out of the wind. You'll see one here in the wraparound, and there's also one right here in front of that port side seat, along with a port side glove box. Flip over to the other side of the boat here and you're going to see the helm station. Again, nice flip up bolster. You got tilt wheel, simple to use gauges, good looking dash. Take a look at that burl wood accent. I like how they do the visor over the top as well to keep the glare down. Before we exit the inside of the boat, definitely want to show you the motor compartment. This is really cool the way they flip this up. Lots of room going into this motor compartment. This boat is an 18-foot boat powered by a 4.3 liter V6, 190 horse. This is a 50 mile an hour boat. It really has a lot of go to it. Battery off here to your starboard side. Engine hours might be hard to read on video, 266. This is very cool and very low hours. This is the second owner, the current owner is the second owner on this boat as well. So that there is just a real quick video walk around to this 185 Glastron. A nice little boat, certainly should not disappoint inside or out. Please call, text, or email with any questions or to set up a time to view. Again, I'm Zach Pater here at River Valley Marine, River Valley Power and Sport in Red Wing, Minnesota, and I appreciate you taking a few minutes to view our video.